Today I'm gonna show you how to resume your last render, and I'll also show you resume your last render in different PC. So let's get started. First, open the render setting, go to the scene, you'll see options save CXR, zoom profile, zoom last render. Click on the zoom last render and your render will resume where you last closed. When you want to render in different PC or save render as file, you have two ways to do that. First is open up the render setting, go to the scene and click on save CXR. Click on it and save the file. Or let me say, open the frame buffer. In the top left corner you can see there is save option. Left click for a little while and you'll see the save CXR option and save window will pop up. Type name and location for CXR file and click save. If you want to resume your render from CXR file, the process is same. Open the render setting, you will see option resume from file. Click on it, select your CXR file you saved earlier and your render will resume. Or open the frame buffer. At top right corner you can see a render option. Click on it to and you can see an option resume from file. Click on it and save the file.